Lack of a mobile communication network is a significant inconvenience and might create a serious risk for people who spend, live, or work in remote locations. Gotoky is a new, unique, 100% off-grid, independent, low-cost, portable mesh communication network affordable for everyone. When a Gotoky device is being paired with a smartphone, you can securely talk, send texts, activate a call for help, use navigation, real-time tracking, and route recording. It works over license-free standard radio frequencies via its own radio signal, reaching distances up to 45 kilometers. Awarded with 2 Slovenian startup and 3 international awards, named as one of the top 100 startups of Europe, and with pre-sale reaching more than 600 pieces, Gotoky has pending customers like Vodafone, Iskratel, KPM, Telkom Indonesia, Royal Army of Netherlands, and Media Markt. The people-driven network to make the world more connected and safe.